Installing alpha sorb wall panels using a Z-bar mounted to the wall and pressure-sensitive adhesive on Velcro at the bottom. You will need about 1 inch between the top of the panel and the ceiling in order to slide the panel onto the Z-clip. First, you need to locate the top and side location where the panel will be mounted to the wall and mark its location. Next, you need to measure the location of the Z-track on the panel and transfer those measurements to the wall. Once this is done, you can mount the Z-track to the wall using screws to secure it. Use screws and plastic anchors or Tapcon screws to mount the track to a concrete block wall. Using sheetrock screws to mount the Z-track to a sheetrock wall, securing it to the wooden or metal studs behind the sheetrock. You will have to drill holes in the metal Z-bar for the screw location to mount the Z-track to the wall studs. To find the stud, use a stud finder. If you don't have a stud finder, tap on the wall with a hammer to try to hear the more solid area behind the sheetrock. This will give you a better idea of stud location, and use the small finish nail to determine the exact location of the studs. You can usually locate the wall studs on 16-inch centers. This is the hit or miss method. Once you have mounted the Z-track to the wall, remove the paper from the peel and stick Velcro. Slide the panel on the wall, mating the Z-track mounted to the panel with the Z-track on the wall. Put the panel level and into proper location, and then push on the face of the panel where the pressure-sensitive Velcro will stick to the wall. Make sure the wall is clean so Velcro will stick securely. If you need to remove the panel and after the panel and Velcro is mated to the wall, it is best to use a putty knife or kitchen knife to separate the Velcro by sliding the knife between the hook and loop Velcro rather than trying to pull it directly away. On a ceiling, you will be using Z-bars because you want a good mechanical fasten method for safety.